Hello everybody, welcome again to Women 360. So we are again here to show you some more unique collections of the kurtis today. So stay tuned with us. We have more of plazo sets and single pieces today. So let's get started.
Yes, and today the sizes that we're gonna show you will be large. That is from the size is large size. It's from medium to large. So around 38 to 40 is what these outfits fit.
So this brand I must tell you about. This brand has a little large size. Suppose you fit into medium which is 38. So this brand medium is actually 40. So when we say large size, that means it comes from L to XL. So XL people also easily get fits into large sizes. So that's the reason we say is if you want the measurements, we are ready to give you measurements also. So please ask for the measurements for the bust size, chest size, whatever you want to know, we'll just measure and give it to you.
Yes. Okay. So let's get started with the video, and today the video that we're gonna show you will be all on flat 50% off on all the outfits that we're gonna show you today. So this is an exclusive offer that we're doing today. So yes, let's get started.
So grab the offer. It's a new year offer. So first thing which I'm going to show you is a plazo set, which is purely cotton. Vidya, can you hold this? Yeah. So that's a kurta which has a balloon sleeves. These are in fashion nowadays. So 3/4 hands balloon sleeve. If you can see, it's a printed one. It's a kind of a Jaipuri print which comes all over kurta. It's pure cotton stuff. It has a little small slit at the down part, so you need not to worry about it. It's hardly 10 inches slit, and this comes along with the bottom, which is striped. Striped, as I always say, stripes makes you always look tall. So especially nowadays the stripes are in fashion as well. So this comes along with the matching dupatta. You have a beautiful dupatta to carry with. I hope you are able to see the colors and everything. The finish of the kurta is really very neat. So we'll show you first. And this is priced at 3000. MRP is 3000. You are going to get flat 50% off. So it comes at the price of only 1500.
So the next kurta that I'm going to show you is this is another shade. So this is most likely orange shade with green color combination on this, and it has a white color piping like this. So this will be your bottom, and this is how the kurta looks like. This is a pure cotton kurtas, and we also have a pocket here. This is how it is, and this is the bottom for this. Zigzag lines. This is the bottom. This is how it is, and I also have a dupatta. This is how the dupatta and the set looks like, and this is also priced at 3000, and you get a flat 50% on this.
So what we are showing you, this range is almost similar to 3000 and flat 50% off. So you get at only an amazing price of 1500, and this is a complete set, kurta, bottom and dupatta. So we have different prints and different neck designs and everything. So this is a teal blue color along with the dark pink, which comes with the pink blazo and the teal blue flowers, and yes, again a dupatta.
This is how the dupatta. This is looking so nice, something different. This is my next set. This is a yellow color with the blue color flowers on this blue and orange color, and coming to the sleeves, it's a this is how the sleeves are. Bell sleeves, and we have a tassel here, so you can tie it up, and the bottom comes with an orange color bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. Get to see the bottom? Yes. And also this comes with the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks like. It is a mix of, this is the bottom print and this is the top print, so it's a mix. This is how it's gonna look.
So coming up with the next people's favorite color, yellow, along with the green matching, and that to Jaipuri print. It comes so neat.
Hibiscus flowers.
It's a floral print along with the yellow plazo, which has a zigzag stripes on it. And yes, along with a beautiful dupatta again.
This is how it's gonna look.
That's how the dupatta is. So coming up with the plazo sets, it's a two-piece set. We have a kurta. This is a small embroidery you can see over here with the buttons. This is again pure cotton with the block print. These are again hand block print. It comes in a contrast combination with the plazo. Plazo is dark brown. Kurta is mainly green. And this comes at an amazing price of 1250 only. After discount, this is 1250 only.
And in the same model, we have another print. This is more like a grey and black combination. This is a very similar print that what Anshu has showed you. And this is how it is. This is looking really beautiful. And this comes with a black color plazo. And the MRP for this is 2,800.
And this comes at an amazing price of 1250 only.
So this is at 1250 only.
So you get more than 50%.
Yes, more than 50%. This comes at more than 50%. This is how it's gonna look. We are guaranteeing you on the fabrics, colors.
So we are coming up with the next. So this is a little floral print on khadi. Again, you have a hand blocks, complete hand blocks. So the base is grey and print is orange. And you have a frilled neck. See, which looks like this. And you have a plazo with this, which is again very stylish from the down part. It has a side cut and again it is frilled.
And this is priced at 2499 and you get a flat 50% on this.
Only 1250 for a set, that too with a guarantee for the color and the fabric.
The same model, I'm giving you another shade. This is a blue color shade. That was a red maroon color shade kind. This is a blue shade, sky blue shade. Very similar model. The khadi pant with it. This is how it's gonna look. And this is also priced at 2499 and you get a flat 50% on this.
Khadis are always, we say, rich people fabric. So really, they really make you feel very comfy for the skin. So again, coming up with again next khadi fabric. So this is a yellow, mustard yellow color, which comes with a dark brown print. This is how the kurta looks. So these are the sleeves also block printed done. And comes with the contrast plazo. This is again priced at 2499. That means 1250 only. So a complete set you are able to get in 1250 with a lever fabric. These are all lever fabrics.
Yes. And coming to our new model, this is a pastel shade that we have. This looks really smart. If you get to see the detailing here, this is what the detailing here is. You have a buttons here. If you get to see, I'm giving you a closer view. It's all this color. This is more like a light pista shade. Yes. And if you get to see the hands, this has some frill kind of a hands. This is how the top looks like. And I have a bottom for this. This is more like a cigar pant. So this is how the bottom looks like. So my complete set, this is something like this. This looks really good, formal wear, office wear. And this is a pure rayon fabric and this is priced at 2499, the complete set, and you get a flat 50 on this.
So here we comes up with the muslin fabric. This is pure muslin. And it really makes you feel so light. It is so soft. And we have an embroidery over the collar. You can see the bead embroidery over the collar. It's a complete corporate kind of look you wear. A collared kurta with the folded sleeves. And here comes the bottom for this.
These are the stripes here.
So another pastel shade which comes up with a beautiful stripes plazo.
Rayon fabrics.
And a complete office wear look.
So the next shade that I have is a light lemon color. This is more like a chanderi kind of a fabric with maroon color combination on this. If you get to see, I'm giving you a closer view. This looks really smart when you wear it. And more than the video. I think when you get this in hand, you'll love it. This has the shine on it, and giving you a closer view on what the print looks like. And I have a bottom also for this, which is the little darker yellow, and this is a plazo with self design on this. If you get to see some circles, flowers on this is a self print, and this is priced at 3499, and you get a flat 50 on this. This is how the dress looks like.
So making a video a little shorter, we don't want to waste your time as well. We'll show it up fast now. So this is a dark blue color with the collared neck. This has a tail end pattern. So from down it will be like this, a tail end pattern. And the plazo comes like this printed. So we have two shades in it. They can have the other shade. So we have a blue and we have a black and maroon.
And we have this is a sleeveless, and we also have the sleeves
Sleeves
inside.
are there inside. You can get them attached, and these are also priced at
2499, and you get a flat 50.
Flat 50%.
So coming to the next one, so this is one of our hit designs all time. This is a nice sea green kind of a thing with a maroon color combination. This will not go. This is not at all a foil print. This is how the kurta looks like. And to the hands we have given some tassels here. This is how they are.
And this is an A-line kurta, so it doesn't have a slit at the bottom.
So it does not have a slit. It's an A-line kurta. This is how it is, and you have a beautiful red color plazo with beautiful butta kind of a print on these. If you get to see, these flowers are really beautiful. This is how it is, and the plazo also is quite flary. So this is priced at 3000, and you get a flat 50% on this.
So this is another shade of green. So we have a contrast back. Back is different. Front is like this. We have a plazo. Again price at 2499. That means 50% off. That means 1250 only. Please grab the pieces as soon as possible.
Yes, we have limited pieces in this. And this is a grey with blue deer. This is with a blue. This looks really, this is a very good combination. And this is how it is.
The fabric is again muslin.
Yes, and this is a beautiful plazo that we have for this. It matches with this. You can wear it as a formal wear also. And this is also priced at 2499, and you get a flat 50%. All my fabrics are guaranteed, and we're giving you a guarantee on our fabrics.
All are Liva fabrics, so you need not to worry about the fabrics at all. Again, we come up with the red with a golden print on it. The print will not go, so you can be sure about it. So this is again same price at 2499, and you get it 1250 only.
Coming to tops, a lot of people, when they have seen my small sized video, they have asked me for a large size. Yes, this is for them. So this is a pastel shades, English shades. See, if you get to see, this is with a crop top and a detachable coat. Yes, and the coat is long, and you have a tassels to tie here like this, something like this. And the best part, you also have a bottom for this. Can you just give a closer view of the bottom?
So you have a plazo to match with it.
And this is not a golden foil print. This will not go. Do not worry about that. This is how it is going to look like. Something stylish.
So I have two colors for this.
We have one more shade in this. This is how it is. And we have a light yellow in this.
This is more of kind of a cream color.
To the very similar.
Again, this is priced at 2499. This is just at 1250. So grab the pieces as soon as possible.
This is the next piece that we have. This is also similar to the coat model, but then the kurti is little long. This is not like a crop top. This is the kurti. This is the pure cotton. This is a sleeveless, and you have a jacket here. And the best part, we also have a bottom for this. This is the bottom for this. So the set looks something like this. At the back of the jacket, this jacket also you can wear it on any other tops, t-shirts, skirts. This is how it's going to look. And this is priced at, all these are also Liva fabrics today that I'm going to show you. How much is this price, Ranshu?
3000.
This is also priced at 3000 and you get a flat 50% on this.
So comes up with the next. We have a yellow and a pink combination. Again a block printing. Little embroidery done on the neck part. Priced only at 2499. You get a flat 50% off. You have a tassels over here at the side of the kurta.
Coming back to the a long frock, this piece is something one piece dress that I'm showing you. This is how it is. It has all the it's a multicolor shaded light shades, beautiful shades. We get to see this purple. It has been all over pink and then green across, pink and green across. This is how it's gonna look, and it's a 3/4 hands with a pink color this thing, and it's a full one length piece. You can, these are not transparent at all, so you can wear it as a one piece. There's nothing that you'll have to match it with a legging. This is how it's gonna look, and this is priced at 1800 and you get a flat 50% on this. 1800, only 900 per piece this is.
So coming up with the next, we have a raw silk kurtas. So we have two colors in this. One is mustard along with the blue combination. One is red along with the chocolate brown combination. And the jacket looks like this. Again, it's a detachable jacket. So you can show the back with your ones. This is the back of the jacket. It has a tassels at the side. And this has a border at the bottom. And this is at amazing price after discount at 1250 only. This is silk and along with the jacket, which is detachable. You can just remove, you can wear it over the other pieces as well.
These are not at all transparent here, so you can just wear it across. These are way thicker in fabrics, so they will not bleed. Don't worry on the color bleed as well. You can just do a simple machine wash.
So coming up with the next, we have a spaghetti top beneath, which is full length. This is georgette. This comes up with the lining. We have a lining over there. So you can see the lining part. And this comes again with a detachable jacket. And this has, the jacket has a tassels again. So this piece comes at a remarkable price of 1000 rupees only after the discount. It is really beautiful piece. You must grab it. We have very limited number of pieces. So kindly grab as soon as possible.
So this is my one piece dress that I'm going to show you. This is how it is. This looks really nice. This is a detachable jacket. My jacket is something like this all over. I'm giving you a closer view, and this has an embroidery here. This is the print on the jacket, and something like this. I have a tassels here to tie this, and if I'm opening the tassel, it is something like this. The back,
the color really looks royal.
This is a beautiful royal dress, so it looks really nice. And this is priced at 2499 only, and you get a flat 50% on this.
So again coming up with the single piece dress. So this comes, this fabric over the top is muslin. This is a printed muslin. And you get an embroidery on the neck. This is all embroidery. And beneath you have a dark blue color for the contrast. This is rayon. Rayon plus muslin. So this gives more life to the fabric. If you have rayon in a combination with muslin, it gives really more life to the fabric. So this is also priced at 2499, which means it comes at 1250 only.
Coming to a beautiful print, this is more like a pink color with a detachable jacket. If I'm giving you a closer view of the jacket, this is a one-piece dress. Look at the jacket. This you can wear it on your t-shirts. It's a detachable jacket. This is how the dress looks like. This is a beautiful dress. I have the same. It has also has some border down, similar to the jacket, and the jacket looks something like this at the back.
These are all really at a very amazing prices of 1000, 1250, max to max goes to 1500.
And this is priced at 2300 and you get a flat 50% on this. Wow. And look at the fabric. If you get to see the fabric, is way thick. It is not at all transparent.
And soft for the skin.
Soft, very soft. It makes you feel cool.
So coming up with the piece which is for Chanderi lovers, the people who really like Chanderis. So this we have a red color gown, okay, with the mirror work done, and you comes up with the coat, shrug. See the length of the shrug. So it's a kind of a, again a royal dress with the dori, and again with the mirror work over here. So the shrug is also Chanderi, even the top is also Chanderi, and it comes at an amazing price of 1500 only. This is MRP at 3000. So I hope Vidya, that's all for today.
Yes.
So that's all for today. We don't want to elongate the video much. So hoping to get more and more orders from you, and wish you a very happy new year.
Yes, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do place your orders. So as already told you, these will fit from
large 2XL, medium, large 2XL, large
yes.
2XL.
So even some of them, whoever are looking for 38, 39 also, so you can take this 39, 40 to XL size it fits. So you can let me know. You can WhatsApp me on 725991052 to place your orders. Thank you so much for watching the video.
We are already ready. We are always ready to provide you the measurements. So you can ask for your measurements. We can provide, and we can just give the piece you want.
Yes, thank you so much for watching
Have
the
a good
video.
day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.